All right, OGG here. You guys are part of our DIY series. This is another great obstacle, another great workout center that you could do on your property if you got some room. What we did is we built a cool sand pit. There's a lot of different things you can do with sand pits. Just wanted to show you how we built this thing. It was fairly easy construction. So we've got 2x6s that go down. Again, we used pre-treated lumber, making sure that we had something that wasn't gonna rot to the environment. Since it's 18 feet long, we had 12 footers. We just tied them together here. We had a little split, but you know, you can make sure that doesn't happen when you do your construction. But anyhow, we tied those things together with some screws, some 3.5-inch screws. On the outside, we used, as you can kind of see here, we just kind of made our own spikes that you can just drive down. They're just 2x2s, and you can drive those down. We drove them down 12 inches just to keep the board stable. We put a couple on the inside as well, but buried them a little bit lower just so it had stability so the actual framing wouldn't fall. Inside, we end up using quite a bit of sand. As time goes on, you know, the sand comes out little by little. But you want to try to get at least 3 to 4 inches of sand, and that will be probably enough for you. Now, with sand also comes critters, so if you got animals in the area, they're going to come over here and probably take a dump in your sandbox. So you got to make sure that either you put something over it to protect it, or if you're cool with it, just give a shovel down here and you can just kind of fling it out of the way. So we got 2 ropes here. We had these ropes engineered. If you guys are interested in ropes, let us know. We can definitely get you all set up with them. But these actually have eye hooks at the end, so they're built with the eye hook. With that, we wanted to have a total distance of 20 feet. So we had 20-foot ropes. They can hang off 2 feet on the ends, and then we have our 18 by 3-foot box, right? So we went 3 feet across by 18 feet long. Okay, we wanted to figure out a way that we could use kind of natural things. Obviously, the rope isn't going to be completely natural, but the rocks themselves, we bored a hole through the rock. So we just drilled a hole right through the rock, as you can see. We found this is sandstone, so it's fairly brittle, but you can use granite or anything else. Get a drill bit. You can actually go to a masonry if you want and have them drill it for you. But then we just went ahead and put this smaller rope through it and tied them off together so it can actually hold on to the rock. So having this nice black rope is good on the hands. It's not going to splinter. It's not going to give you, give you rough hands, doing this kind of stuff or beat your hands up. So this is a great rock pull. It's very easy to put together. If you guys have any questions with this, make sure that you comment below. Continue to watch our YouTube, subscribe, and let us know how it comes out.